Now, if you are not vaccinated, you cannot dropship on eBay. I'm just kidding, of course I'm kidding. Well, anyway, this video is about very serious stuff, guys. I have been talking about this already more than a year, but about a year ago, I started to drill down on make money online, do eBay dropshipping manually, because the day will gonna come that you will gonna be kicked out of your work. Now, welcome, this day became reality. People are being kicked out from the work already now, because on this week, this historical decree came out, the historical mandate came into the action almost, well, they are on the table in the action from 1st December, that only vaccinated people will gonna be humans. Or I would say only vaccinated people will gonna be the modern slaves again, taking away free will to decide for your own lives. Never ever in a history happened something like this, not in a whole world's history. For the last humanity lived on the earth for the 6,000 whatever you believe years it was, never ever something like this happened in the world. You better think, you better go below this video right now, okay? $7.99 training. Get into the training, get started the dropshipping. If you can't find a way, I will gonna add somebody from the previous students to your account as a mentor, okay, no charge, because I have some students who would be willing to do this, okay, to help out the serious people who wants to start dropshipping and make money online. Because you have only about 4, 5, 6 weeks. Okay, I don't care from what country you are. This mandate is taking as a flood over, as a water flood, as a flood. You know what? Oh, as a flood. You see, I'm here, right on the ocean. You see, that's ocean there, ocean there. The flooding is coming. Yeah, right. I'll take my here. So, eBay dropshipping is at right now before the Chinese buy Google. Yes, they will gonna go. I think this is my like feeling. They want to buy the Google because all money goes to China now. Everything, not to AliExpress, not at all, but everything. You know, all the masks, all the sanitizers, all this COVID crap, even the needles, even the vaccines, they are made in China. Every money, every penny flow now to China. Americans, they crucified the only possibility who could change this. They crucified Trump, they put this lame Biden into the charge. So since those days are over, okay, I'm not in politicals. I'm not the political guys. If you didn't know me, if you just don't over here, don't throw the stones on me because I said crucified Trump and lame Biden. Yes, that's because my objective from outside, not being political, with a clear mind, I can see why are you crazy, Americans? What are you doing? The only person who was able to stop and prolong the term for the life, for the people to live life was Trump, and you are crucifying him and allowing the lame crooked man to be in charge in your government. Anyway, whatever it is, it's American stuff. They messed up. We have to bear the consequences. Go do something online. You don't like eBay, go whatever, Shopify. You don't like Shopify, make a YouTube channel. Okay, now talk about on the YouTube channel something about the COVID, about how to go around. Hey, talk about, you know what? Talk about who can make the fake vaccine, who can make the fake proof of vaccine. Okay, I would be #1 who will gonna buy the fake green pass. That's what they call green pass. You got the green pass, okay, for the vaccine. I will gonna be #1 person who will gonna buy the green pass if there will, and there will gonna be, because people always in the church histories always making fake driver licenses in every country, making fake passports in every country. And there will gonna be the green pass. Don't be discouraged. Here is the good news for you. I believe, and I am just announcing right now that there will gonna be people, because that's business, who makes green passes fake, make fake green passes. I don't know how quality it will gonna be, but I will be one of them who will gonna buy it and try it out. Let me know if you know somebody who is selling fake green passes, or contact me with someone. I would like to talk with them. Okay, take care, bye bye, see you next video.